Also Suicide Prevention Day.
Also,
Suicide Prevention Day.
yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children. So we know that 1857 revolt. Okay, the revolt of
Yes, ma'am.
1857.
That was the topic.
Yes. It also known as
First War of
First war of independence.
First War of
The
Independence.
Sepoy Mutiny.
Yeah, Sepoy Mutiny. It also known as Sepoy Mutiny.
Point mutiny.
Okay. So we
British
saw that
broke
the
our
impact of the
culture.
British policies. That means the Britishers, they introduced many policies over here in our country. Okay, and it was not means not meant for the benefit of the Indians. The all laws or rules made by the Britishers were meant for their own benefit only. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
and children, they have introduced many policies. Okay, that all will you study
Doctrine of
later.
lapse.
Later,
Ma'am,
all
like
this.
church and all.
Yes, they
Doctrine of Lapse.
other
church.
policies
Schools,
that all
so
you will
many.
study.
And they
in
broke
your,
Arabic
means
in
future class.
Sanskrit and Arabic,
Ma'am,
and they
doctrine of
kept
That is one of the
English
other policy
language.
that the Britishers introduced English education,
English education
and
and
they
broke
removed.
Arabic and
Sanskrit.
Sanskrit.
Okay, and they introduced many other
Sanskrit.
policies like doctrine of lapse.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Then
We will-
church and all. So many church.
They set up churches.
And
Okay, and
schools.
schools
And-
all over the country.
Our people were very sad about that.
Okay, because they thought that would destroy the culture of the
Religion of our Indians.
Religion.
Indian culture. Okay.
Culture and
They broke our culture.
What was the problem with the sepoys? What was the problem with the sepoys?
They have low
unhappy.
salary.
They were not happy because
They were also
their
unhappy.
condition of work were very bad.
Farmers
They
and
were working for merely low wages and poor condition of work. Okay, poor working condition.
enough salary.
Yes.
Not
And what was the
salary.
immediate cause of the revolt?
It was a failure.
It was a
It was a failure. All the people
No,
were
no.
failed.
What was the immediate cause for the revolt?
Ma'am, cause
because
for the people, so low people were very
Any one of you,
low
please tell
wages.
me. Any one of you, Vishnu Venu, can you? What is the immediate cause for the 1857 revolt? Already the sepoys were not happy with their work.
Condition of work and
Ma'am,
And
they started
money.
to do the war.
ma'am, someone entered the waiting room.
Yeah. See, children, the new rifle. Okay,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
Britishers introduced a new
New
rifle.
rifle.
Yeah.
So many.
And the sepoys want
And
to.
the sepoys were very sad because of their condition and their money of the work was no
Act
money.
of
The fat of
Act of cow and
cow and pig.
Hindus.
Okay,
Hindus.
the Hindus and the Muslims refused to use the
bullets.
new rifle.
Yeah, cow and pig.
Cows was holy to
Opened it
Hindus.
with their
Cows
mouth.
was holy to Hindu.
Okay, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
so both the
Now
soldiers,
also
the
like that
soldiers,
way
the
itself.
Hindus as well as the Muslims refused to use the new bullets, new rifle. So the Britishers, so many Britishers, they dismissed from services, and also some were kept imprisoned. Okay, they were
Yes,
put
ma'am.
in jail, and so the soldiers revolted against the Britishers.
Dishes.
Okay, so
Yes,
that
ma'am.
marked
Imprisoned
the
the
beginning of the
sepoys.
1857 revolt, and Mangal Pandey,
Mangal Pandey.
soldier, he was
Yeah, he was the
Young soldier.
Young
Yeah.
soldier.
Young
he was a
Mangal
young
Pandey.
soldier at Barakpur. Okay,
He
at Barakpur, he
He was the Mughal emperor of the Delhi.
that is the leader. Yeah.
Yeah, leader.
Yes.
He was
Bahadur Shah Zafar.
Bahadur Shah
claimed
Zafar
as
was the
the
leader and Mughal emperor of Delhi.
Okay.
And British were
And see,
kept.
children, but even though we have justified against the Britishers, but we failed in our first attempt.
Yes, ma'am.
We failed.
Britishers easily suppressed
Easily they can suppress the revolt.
Yeah.
Because
poor organization,
We were very
The
poor.
failure of the revolt.
Outdated weapons.
poor organization.
Poor organization. The revolt was not organized properly. Okay, that is the first
Ma'am.
one of the reason. Then,
Ma'am,
And
organize
leadership.
means to
The
arrange.
leadership.
yeah,
Ma'am,
Ah.
leadership of the
There
leaders.
was no national leader to unite all these people. Okay, it
Okay,
lacked
ma'am.
a strong leadership. The
Yes,
revolt
ma'am.
lacked a strong leadership.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then outdated weapons.
Outdated like guns
Britishers-
and all.
Old.
The Britishers had
Like
modern
guns.
weapons with them.
Yeah,
We
we
Indians
have
don't
only
have such
sword and all.
weapons.
Sword, knife, etc. They have guns, so many
Guns and all.
modern.
Oh.
Now also they have
Any
guns.
other reason?
They also have.
Any other reason?
Yes, ma'am. One more thing is there.
They have bomb and all. Bomb,
Ah.
grenade, etc.
Guns.
We have nothing. We have only one sword. How we do?
So all these were the reason for the failure of the revolt. Okay.
Ma'am, and also they were doing only their conditions. They were looking for their only
Only
conditions.
some parts. Okay, only some parts were affected.
Yes, ma'am.
The revolt.
To do
Okay,
that.
all other part remained.
Ma'am, can you speak some more louder?
The revolt.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is enough only. Ma'am, this is enough. I can heard.
Ma'am, can you speak some more louder?
Yeah,
No,
sure.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
It
little more.
is enough. It
Now
is
is
enough
it
for
okay?
me.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Now it's
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Ah,
It's very sound.
okay, children. So lack of leadership. Okay, leaders fought only for their own. Only for the area. No, only for their areas. Okay, no national leader. It lacked a strong central leadership.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one, poor organization. It was organized.
Very poor. Different groups.
Okay,
for-
different groups fought small battles.
Battles.
Okay, small fights against
ma'am.
the British authority. They were very strong.
But they were all were failure. All were failed.
And outdated weapons. We have only the old weapons. We used all the old weapons. But the Britishers, they had modern
Weapons
guns
like
and all.
bomb, grenade.
Yes. And last
Ma'am,
one,
what is grenade?
no support from the other parts. That
Grenade.
means
Ma'am, what
a
is
large
grenade?
part of West and South India. Okay, they do not take part in the revolt. Okay, that
No, like-
revolution, the
Right,
revolt,
India.
it has ended only in some parts. Okay.
In the
means,
northern east.
then I have told you while Gandhiji was here, he has united the whole country against the Britishers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Whole country, all the brother, all the states.
Yeah,
in India.
all states
Only they want.
united against the British.
The
Subhash,
Okay,
Subhash
this is
Chandra
the
Bose.
first attempt. Okay, so it was a failure only because of these reasons. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
children. Next is after the revolt, the consequences. Consequences means after the revolt, what was the effect? Okay, but still we know that our this revolt has failed. Okay, but it has some positive effects also and some negative impact also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, positive and it has
Negative.
both the positive and the negative impact. And what was the effect on the Britishers? See, children,
New
Britishers
ruler.
never expect a battle or they never expect such an action from the Indians. Okay, they always seen Indians as very primitive. They don't have any modern achievements. They don't have education. They do not have weapons with them. They were always fighting with each other. They were quarreling with each other. Okay, so the Britishers were shocked or surprised, okay, by the action of these people. Okay, so it was an it was a shock
Yes,
experience
ma'am.
for the
Somebody singing song.
children. Please mute your audio. Okay, so this was a shocking experience for the Britishers. They did not expect that. Okay, they did not. They
Indians,
never
ma'am.
expect that the Indians would react against the Britishers.
So
Okay,
they were
so
very angry
it has
and
some
made
effect
the
on
new
the
leader.
side of the Britishers. The first one is new ruler. Okay, the first one is
New ruler.
New ruler means that till that time, British East India Company, I have told you it is a trading company. Okay, British East India Company was making the rules for India till the revolt.
Yeah, they make so many rules.
They have made, I have told you, they have made many rules and laws for
A
the
card,
country.
they
Ah.
give a card. If that token is not there, we can't go outside. That way.
Yeah. Okay, but
Revisions are
there was no
coming.
freedom for the press and
Some
media.
disturbance are coming.
Children, mute your audio. Mute your audio, children. Okay, so till the revolt of 1857, British East India Company was ruled over India. Okay, but after the revolt, after the revolt, new ruler. New ruler instead of British East India Company, the Queen of England and the British government become the new ruler of India.
Yes, ma'am. So many queens were there.
Yeah.
They
The
all
Queen
come
of
to this
England.
India and they.
The Queen of England and the British government became the new ruler of India. See children, till that time British East India Company was in power. They are making the rules for India. But after the revolt, new ruler, the Queen of England and the British government directly taken control over India. Okay, that is the first effect on the side of the Britishers. And the second one, new laws. Okay, that is when the Queen began to rule, new laws were introduced. Okay, to keep the British in power. For example, the number of British soldiers in the army was increased. See, children,
so many.
the number of the Indian people in the army, because the Indians were refused to use the rifles and all, so that this revolt has happened, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
what is the meaning of? Ma'am, one
What?
doubt. What is the meaning of rifle?
Gun.
Gun's name, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Gun.
Gun's
Thank you,
name.
ma'am.
Okay. Oh, yes. Okay. So new laws means that since the Queen has taken the control over India, she has taken control over India. So, okay, they introduced many new laws. Okay. Example, the number of British soldiers in the army, it is increased. Okay, so till that time, the Indians were working in the British army. Yes, is it?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So after the revolt of 1857, the number of British soldiers in the army is increased. Clear? Are you saying something or are you talking from your home?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Who is this?
Prinova.
Prinova, yes, I can hear you. Are you saying, are you asking any doubt, Prinova?
Not asking.
Yeah, maybe she's bandwidth always low. So she asked.
Okay, children. So new ruler, Queen of England and the British government became the new ruler of India. New laws means that they introduce new laws in India. And
Yeah, like
the
one
number
token,
example,
token
the number
giving,
of
or we
British
can't go
soldiers in
outside.
the army
That token is not there.
increased. Okay, then more taxes.
Yes.
Okay, more taxes means
Tax on goods
they were
Effect on
collecting
British, more taxes.
From, they were already
to
they
pay
were collecting
so much
taxes
money.
from the Indian people. Please keep quiet, children. Please keep quiet. See, children, more taxes. It means that already they are collecting taxes from the Indians. They were collecting huge taxes. A number of taxes they were levying from the Indians. Okay, but after the revolt, they increased. Okay, the taxes. What do you mean by tax? You know, children?
Yes, ma'am. Money. So money.
Yes,
So many
ma'am.
money.
People. Okay, the money is collecting from the people. So the
Yes,
British
ma'am. For the
increased the
citizens
taxes
and
on
all.
goods and land.
Ma'am, cash.
In terms of cash, sometimes in terms of product, things or goods. That
Like-
means Sometimes they
Spices,
need to
ma'am.
give half of the produced things. If they were peasants, they need to give 50% of the production as taxes. Okay, the tax is collecting in terms of cash and also in terms of goods.
Ma'am, like spices.
Hmm?
Spices.
Ah,
Spices, yes.
spices
They were taking
or
so many
grains
spices.
Okay, so what all means if they have produced half of its product, sometimes they need to give us taxes. Okay, so more taxes were imposed on the Indians. Okay, the British increased taxes on goods and land. This ensured that the Indians remained poor and powerless. See, children, if the people, okay, we know that the financial condition of the Indians was not satisfactory. Okay, they were merely poor people. They all are poor people.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and
Okay, ma'am.
with that limited income, they need to give the taxes to the government. Okay, they were imposing more taxes on the people. Okay, so
Ma'am,
here the revolt. Yes.
ma'am, ma'am, they were taking the Indians were giving money to the British
Yeah, the
government.
Indians were collecting, means the Britishers collected taxes. That means they were collecting money and also the things, goods, okay, from the Indians.
Ma'am.
Ah,
Listen, ma'am.
yes,
How they are getting this much cash and all?
Ma'am, did the
Britishers.
No, no.
They,
Indians to give.
That's what I told
To
you.
give
they have
the.
so many gold.
Most of the Indians were very poor. Okay, they are peasants. Okay, agriculture people. Okay, they were doing agricultural production.
Ma'am,
And
what is
also
called
they were
agriculture,
working
ma'am?
in the
What is
British
called
army.
agriculture?
Ah,
What is called agriculture?
Farmer.
Technology and all. Israel.
technology was not at all improved during that time.
Yeah.
Technology, it was not
That
improved.
means what is called agriculture? Ma'am, what is called agriculture?
Doing production, cultivation of grains and all, rice, yeah, cotton. Okay,
Natural resources.
okay.
Natural
So,
resources.
so these
Israel and all
peasants,
technology.
the
Everything.
peasants
Sorry, natural
already their
things.
condition was very worse. Okay, with their limited income, they have only less money they were getting from their production. From that money, they need to give a large portion of that money. They need to give as taxes to the British people.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay, so after the revolt, they imposed many taxes. Means they increased the taxes on goods and lands. Okay, I have told you sometimes a person, that means a person who is doing agriculture. Okay, he need to give half of the total production as taxes.
Ma'am.
But the Britishers were asked them to do, we the Indians, okay, without any question, we need to obey that because they have more power. They are very powerful. Britishers were very powerful, and
They were using
Yeah, they were
modern.
the
if we
rise of
oppose the Britishers,
sun
we will
something
be
they were
arrested. We will be
calling by
killed
the
by the
whole
British.
world. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there was no one to question their authority. Okay, that was the situation. That's what I have told you to watch that movies. Then you will get an idea about all
Yes,
this.
ma'am. I know. I watched so many movies about revolt.
And I also. Ma'am,
Okay, so these are the effect of the 1857 revolt.
So many old.
Listen to me, children. Till that time, the British East India Company was ruled over. They were taking decisions regarding India. But after the 1857 revolt, because the Britishers never expect such a reaction from the Indians. Okay, so after the 1857 revolt, Queen Elizabeth and the British government has taken direct control over India. And the second one, they introduced new laws. The number of the British army, means British soldiers in the army, has increased. Okay, and third one, they collected more taxes from the Indians. Okay, that money they were used for the benefit of the Britishers, that they never used for the benefit of the Indians. Okay, they become very rich and wealthy by using the money of the Indians. Okay, so these are the effect or the consequences of the revolt. And
The
what was the
Britishers.
effect on Indians? This is the effect of the Britishers. This is the effect on Indians. Rise of patriotism. Do you know, children, what you mean by patriotism?
Ma'am, I know.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I know. India's
Love for our
the
own
country. Love our
Okay, love
country.
for our own country. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
we have one
Always
patriotic
patriotic.
feeling. See, children, why the Britishers could easily capture power over here in India? I have told you the reason.
Ma'am, because India is very poor country that time.
India is a
India is
poor
very
country.
poor, and
Group
India was
people
ruled by
only were.
local kings and means local
Western,
Kings
Western,
and queens.
local kings.
They were fighting together. They were fighting
fighting.
all. Yes.
Okay, they were
Fought
fighting
together.
with each other, right?
Quarreling with each other.
No, there was no
Quarreling.
unity. There was no unity among the Indian rulers. Okay, there was no unity among the Indian rulers. So after this revolt, after when this 1857 revolt, okay, the Indians had a feeling of means a
Loving their
unity
country.
among them, a patriotic feeling. That means love for our own country. Okay, that is one of the effect on the Indian side. Okay, Indians become more patriotic. Okay, the Indians were inspired by the bravery of the rulers such as Rani Lakshmi Bai and Kunwar Singh. They become more patriotic. They had a spirit or a love, okay, towards their own, towards our own country. Okay, that is one of the effect on Indians. The second one, importance of unity. Since this time they were quarreling with each other. Okay, there was no unity among the Indian rulers. That was one of the reason why the Britishers could establish their power over India. Okay, so after the 1857 revolt, okay, the Indians realized that if they united, they could defeat the Britishers and become free. Okay, but you know, children, a long years. Okay, we fought against to the Britishers. Only in the year 1947 only we have got our independence. Okay, so
Okay, ma'am.
and it was the result
Very
of
hard.
sacrifice of
Very
many
sad,
lives of
very poor.
leaders. Okay, many leaders have sacrificed their life. Many people has been killed by the Britishers. Okay, so
Gandhiji.
hereafter they have introduced many policies that some we will study on the next chapter. One more chapter, we have the continuation of this same chapter. So
And
many
European
policies,
expeditions.
European expedition and freedom struggle, I think freedom struggle.
Yes, that I looked at. I saw.
Yeah. Okay, so children, so the Britishers, they continued their harsh policy towards the Indians. Okay, and the Indians, okay, many leaders, they sacrificed their lives. Okay, for the freedom. Okay, for the freedom, we know that Gandhiji's role, he took an effective role for getting independence for India. Okay, he tried his best. He united the whole people, whole country, and we fought against the Britishers. And after so many years, means this is the first war of independence, and it was in the year 1857. But we have won our independence in the year 1947 only.
Ma'am, Gandhiji died by a gunshot, no?
Yes, ma'am. Nathuram
Was killed.
Godse.
Yeah,
Ma'am, Nathuram Godse shoot
Godse.
him. He was in Pakistan.
yeah.
Thought.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
who is
that was the
Nathuram Godse?
incident that led to this one, rise of patriotism, importance of unity. See, children,
Ma'am, what
after
is
this,
called? Ma'am, who is Nadra Sauge?
Nathuram Godse. Okay,
Nathuram Godse.
he was the person who killed Gandhi.
Killed Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhi.
And after onwards, he was in prison.
He was
In prison, the one who killed Gandhiji.
He means prison.
Yes.
prison. Right.
Prison.
Yes.
He were put in the jail.
Yeah. Okay, children, see, listen. So these are the effect of the British side: new ruler, new laws, and more taxes. And on the side of the Indians, the 1857 revolt, okay, led to the rise of patriotism. Okay, the all Indian means they had a feeling or love towards our own country. Okay, towards India, and they understood that if they united against the Britishers, they could defeat the Britishers and also become free. Okay, so after this 1857 revolt, a number of incidents were happened, okay, against the Britishers. Okay, only after a series of events only we have win our independence. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
so children, this is the end of this chapter, and here in the textbook, I explore. Just see the time.
No, ma'am, no.
Okay. See, I explore. Have you seen?
One more minute.
Oh, okay. See, children, revolts are still happening around the world. Okay. The 21st century started with many revolution. One such revolution was the revolution in Egypt in the year 2011. So this revolution, it's happening
also
still.
happening.
Yes, we have French
China.
Revolution, Russian Revolution. Yeah, many revolutions were happened in the
China
world.
were captured by
Okay,
the
that means
also.
if the people are not China,
Kong.
yes, China also. If the people are not satisfied with the
Ma'am, now
rules and
India taking
regulations,
China. Half places.
see children, if the people are not satisfied with the rules and regulations, what they will do?
They will
They revolt.
They will
will
fight
act-
against it.
Yes,
They will
ma'am. They will
revolt
act
against it. Okay. Okay, so here in Egypt also, the Egyptian people demanded that President Hashi Mubarak step down. Okay, he need to quit from his position. Okay, they were unhappy with his presidency. The people were not satisfied with the president of Egypt. Okay, and there were many complaints of corruption. What do you mean by corruption, children?
So many wrongs. Correct it.
They were not corrupt.
So
They
many
were not
corrupt-
doing everything
Then
correct.
China, Hong Kong, so
Yes,
many
yes,
places
yes.
were
Okay.
under.
And there were
Hong
many
Kong place.
complaints of corruption against him. Later, he was also sent to prison. Okay, for ordering the killing of hundreds of protesters. Protesters means those who revolted. Okay, he killed many people and he was
to
arrested
protect
and
the
imprisoned.
country.
Yes.
Okay, then a few other revolt of the 21st century happened in countries like Syria, Libya, Nepal,
Syria.
and so on. Okay, all these
Syria.
places also, these
Yes,
types of revolt has happened in many
Ma'am,
parts.
China also British were
Okay.
taken Hong Kong.
Now also China versus India. is
Yeah.
That now we are expecting a war against China, right?
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
not-
India catch half
China.
places of China.
Ah,
India catch.
India versus
Rafale.
India.
Rafale.
India versus China.
India
Rafale.
catch? Who told you?
India, so many China, so many places were captured
We
by
are
India
not
now.
in good terms with
Himalayan, all-
India and Pakistan,
Hong
right?
Kong after
Yes, ma'am.
half.
China and Pakistan. We are not.
We take Rafale. Not Nepal. Yes, Nepal also.
Okay, children. So these places, all such revolt were happened. Okay, and
Ma'am, one more minute.
okay. So children,
Ma'am, in the BMS box something is there, right? One link is there.
one link.
Yes, ma'am. In the BMS box.
in the textbook.
What is it?
Yes, ma'am. One
This
link.
is a very famous poem in Hindi written by Subhadra Kumari
Subhadra Kumari
Chauhan.
Chauhan.
Titled
Yeah, yes,
Jhansi
ma'am.
Ki Rani.
What you Jansi Ki Rani.
Jhansi Ki Rani.
That's it.
It felt the entire story of Rani Lakshmi Bai. One link is there. Just try it.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the link, ma'am? Ma'am,
You
ma'am,
can Google it.
Ma'am, can we try it?
Okay, children. So see you on the next class. Today I will send the completed notes. Okay.
thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Complete
ma'am.
and study also.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. It was a wonderful session, ma'am. See you on the next class.